Tidak berat. Bilang penting ya. Ayo.
You're making fun of me. Dia kata when I see my friends, when mommy see her friends.
Stand by. Cue.
Let's go.
Goldie Pinklesweet, who on her 7th birthday went to stay with Granny down in Kent.
At lunchtime on the second day
of dearest little Goldie's day,
Granny announced,
I'm going down to do some shopping in the town. Do you know why Granny didn't tell the child to come along as well?
she's going to the nearest inn to buy herself a cup of gin.
So out
She shuts the door.
and Goldie, after making sure that she is really by herself, goes quickly to the medicine shelf. And there her little greedy eyes see pills of every shape and size. Such fascinating colors too. Some green, some pink,
Some brown,
some blue. All right, she says. Let's try the brown. She takes one pill and gulps it down. She cries. Hey, what fun! There's chocolate coated everyone. She gobbles 5, she gobbles 10.
she stops her gobbling only when
Last pill gone. There are no more. Slowly she rises from the floor. She stops. She hiccups. Dear, oh dear, she starts to feel a trifle queer. You see, how could young Goldie know? For nobody had told her so. That Grandmama, her old not even Granny.
In point of fact, she did not dare.
To use them more than twice a year. So can you wonder little Goldie began to feel a wee bit moldy? Inside the tummy, something stirred.
A funny gurgling sound was heard.
And then, oh dear, from deep within, the ghastly rumbling sounds begin. They beat, licked, and roared. They bounce and echo round the room. The floor will shake, and from the wall,
Some bits of paint and plaster fall.
explosions, whistles, awful bangs were followed by the loudest clangs. A man next door was heard to say,
A thunderstorm is on the way.
but on and on the rumbling goes.
A window cracks. A lamp blows.
Young Goldie clenched herself and cried.
There's something wrong with my inside.
This was
We very greatly fear the understatement of the year. For wouldn't any child kill Connie with loud explosions in her tummy? Granny, at 2:30, came in,
reeling a little from the gin.
but even so she quickly saw the empty bottle on the floor.
My precious laxatives.
She cried.
They don't feel well.
The girl replied.
Angry Grandma shook her head.
I'm really not surprised. Why can't you leave my pills alone?
With that, she grabbed the telephone.
Listen, send us quick an ambulance. A child is sick. It's number 50 Frontwell Road. Go fast. I think she might explode.
We're sure you do not wish to hear about the hospital and where,
They did a lot of horrid things.
with stomach pumps and rubber rings. Let's answer what you want to know. Did Goldie live or did she go? The doctors gathered round her bed.
There's really not much hope. No hope.
No, she's going.
Going. More. She's had her chip.
She's dead.
She died. I'm not so sure.
The child replied, and all at once she opened wide her great big bluish eyes and sighed, and gave the anxious doctor a wink, and said,
I'll be okay, I think.
so Goldie lived and back she went, at first to Granny's place in Kent. Her father came the second day,
And fetched her in a Chevrolet.
and drove her to their home in Dover. But Goldie's troubles were not over. You see, if someone takes enough of any highly dangerous stuff, one will invariably find some traces of it left behind. It pains us greatly to relate that Goldie suffered from this fate.
She'd taken such a massive pill.
Of this unpleasant kind of pill,
It got into her blood and bones.
it messed up all the chromosomes.
It made her constantly upset.
And she could never really get the beastly stuff to go away. And so, the girl was forced to stay
For 7 hours every day.
within the everlasting gloom of what we call the ladies' room. And after all, the WC is not the gayest place to be. So now, before it is too late, take heed of Goldie's dreadful fate, and seriously,
All jokes apart,
do promise us across your heart
that you will never help yourself.
to medicine from the medicine shelf. That was Goldie Pinklesweet.
By Roald Dahl.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Satu Suara speakers.
For you and for me and the entire human race,
applause, ladies and gentlemen, again for Satu Suara speakers, children from the ages of 12 to 16. Also, they recited the beloved poem, Goldie, Pinklesweet by Roald. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat pagi kepada semua hadirin yang dihormati sekalian. Bagi pihak RA Arts Haven, saya Elika Mustaman mengamankan kehadiran para penyair, penulis, penggiat seni dan pecinta seni ke festival